Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're unboxing the CHISELL chew trainer thingy. You probably already know what it is if you look it up, so we're gonna put down the camera and we're just gonna get going. Comes in a nice little white package. I think what we're doing is, yeah, exactly. And what we're gonna use is here in this little package. I can see underneath here is kind of like a manual. Yeah, 1 million species are currently under the threat of extinction due to climate change. So you can go use this package for something else. For coins or condoms or so. Here, little manual on how to use it. Wash it up and down, stretch after. If breaks, you can message there and there. Vacuum, breathe properly. And yeah, little plan on the back. Yes, and like different training options. You can all see that once you get it. Here, little package. I think it's a nice material. It feels pretty good. And let's see how easy it is to open. Not super easy. Oh, I have to turn. Okay, so then it's really easy to open. Okay, just the top here and the two bottom ones. This is like the light chew, like the beginner level. Feels pretty good. That's what they look like, the easy bite ones. The level 1, you can actually just see through here if it would focus. It doesn't want to focus, right? Because it's too close. Yeah, you can see through here. So I'm definitely gonna try those out. And who knows, maybe if you go look through YouTube, you will find me actually testing them. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this humble unboxing, and we're gonna see each other in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, and hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much, and bye.